Bucky, what we doing, dude? Working on the 400? That's what's up. Probably should have videoed way before now, but little homemade skid plate action. You know, just got some good old sheet metal. Right. Mud buggies down. This one needs to get done too. Catch up with you when I'm done. Little update. I have decided to move the key probably here. Put the 3 lights in here. I'm gonna get rid of this. And I am going to finish and rewire the light bar back up. She took a crack. And that's gonna go on there like so. And then a mud strap across the middle. Ideas?